Hey, it's Eamon with ipXchange. We're at Wirepas Open 2024. I'm here with Yvonne from Sodir Connect, and it looks like you've got lots of routers and gateways. So first of all, Yvonne, can you just tell our audience what you do at Sodir Connect, and then tell us what your company does?
Yes, sure. Well, first of all, we're very glad to be there in Helsinki with Wirepas for this event. We produce Wirepas mesh gateways.
Okay.
And first line of product we have are the one from SolidRun, a company from Israel.
Okay.
So we make the distribution, selling, and technical support for these gateways. But we also represent another company here, which is Sodir Connect. Actually, it is our mother company. And at Sodir, we design also specific carrier boards and radio boards. And actually, what you see here is surely the first one to have the three radio modules from Wirepas.
Okay, cool.
5G, including 5G, 2.4, and sub-giga.
Cool. So these cover all three protocols?
Yes, this one, yes.
Cool. So in terms of your customer base, obviously they'll be using Wirepas technology, but what's the range of different applications you've seen it used in?
Most of them are playing with a smart tracking application.
Okay.
This particular one is widely used by all the partners here to do a smart tracking application, smart building as well.
Okay.
And with Sodir, we also have designed a smart lighting line of product.
Okay.
So this is also a market we address.
Cool. Is that so? The smart tracking, is that in what kind of verticals is that in?
Smart tracking is mainly for hospitals.
Okay.
It can be tracking of devices or tracking of people inside the hospital, or also in industries or in. Tell me, entrepôt in English.
What was it?
Entrepôt.
Entrepôt.
Warehouse.
Okay. Oh yeah, he speaks French.
Yes, I know.
Jake is behind the camera. Cool. Obviously this is very Wirepas orientated, so you must work very closely with Wirepas. What's that like? How did you first get started working with them?
It's now we started the company actually 4 years ago.
Okay.
And these two gateways were already existing with Wirepas. So we, as a company, we just jumped into the ecosystem at that time, and we get the license of the Wirepas toolkit, so we can start to develop these kind of devices. And the ecosystem is quite nice. It's easy to address a customer issue by just looking at the Wirepas portal, and you find all the partners you need to find a solution. So it's a very clever and very nice network to have.
Nice. And obviously this is the first Wirepas Open and the first Wirepas live event since before the pandemic. So were you at the last one?
We were in Paris, I think it was 2 years ago.
Okay.
It wasn't me, it was my colleagues at that time. But yeah, the goal also to be there is to start again to be present with Wirepas in events like CIDO in Paris or in Lyon in September.
Yeah.
So we'll work together on this event as well.
Cool. And I see which you were in the smart building stream. So was there anything that you saw in that stream which really exceeded your expectation or made you think about something in a new way?
Yeah, well, it's not necessarily in a new way, but it makes me even more happy to work in this kind of domain, because like the others, by providing these solutions to the smart building domain, we contribute to be more innovative, sure, but innovative with some virtual objective. We reduce the cost of energy, we make the building more intelligent and easier and more efficient. So that's the goal, and I heard lots of people talking about that during the meetings.
Nice. And if there's any engineers who are looking to work with Wirepas technology, obviously they're going to need a gateway, so they're going to want to come to you.
Yeah.
What would the best way to approach you about that and selecting the right gateway for their application?
We have a website where we can give access for free to the all the distribution software embedded into the gateways. There is images, there is configuration files. So that would be the first step to go. And then you have access to the support team. So if you have questions, you can raise them from the website. And if you want to buy, it's me.
Cool. Well, come and see Yvonne from SolidSense Connect. And yeah, if you're working with Wirepas, they're the guys to go to for a gateway.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you very, very much.
Bye-bye.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?